Only two things I'm scared in life. God first, and the FBI.
The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
And then maybe if I see you in person, I'll give you a nice kiss right on the lips if you're above the age of 15 or 18. Fuck, dude.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
Your mood changed like the weather. When from gray, all that I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and
Love
gentlemen,
so hard to find.
we got him.
Changed like the weather. When from gray, all that I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
Changed like the weather. When from gray.
リトさん、そんな。
さあ、この溶けかけのアイスを食べるのだ。FBI, open up!
What was that noise?
What?
I didn't say anything.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because you're beautiful.
Oh my god.
I enjoy looking at beautiful people.
FBI, open up!
Let me work my magic.
Yo, what's up, broskies? I'm the Neverbeaner, and today I'm going to show you how to get free Robux on Roblox. Right click on the buy for to 199.95 and click inspect, and it will go to this page with all the programming, like numbers and elements and stuff like that, and want to change the 199.95 to 0. That's it, and you'll have the 0 right here. Use $0 in the console to refer to this element. That's alright. So that means that the price there is $0, and as you can see, it's got 999.999 Robux, and this hack does work.
FBI, open up!
Today we're going to be going over 5 Fortnite YouTubers who've sworn.
FBI, open up!
I'm Mike. And I'm Kevin. Today we're talking about illegal building techniques. What is your favorite?
My favourite technique, though, I think, is something that a lot of people don't know about, and is a way of these are two 2x4 bricks, and you put your 1x2 tiles inside, in the groove down there by the tube, one in each end, and then you just put your other brick on top of it, and that will.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.